Adobe Creative Cloud plugins and integrations.
Hi, I'm Michael Schroeder, and today I'm going to show you Galeryst, a new site that I created that enables any artist to create a beautiful gallery to share their artwork with the world. I originally started Galeryst to share the sketches, watercolors, photography, collage, and mixed media that I have created over the past 30 years, primarily in journals. As journals don't exhibit well in physical galleries, I've always been exploring ways to organize and share my artwork, and found the capabilities of Adobe Photoshop Lightroom were perfect for the task. When Adobe added a new feature to Lightroom this year that enabled authorized sites to access your imagery, I saw an opportunity to generate a gallery for my work that I'd always been dreaming of with a browser-based 3D technology. As I was building it, I noticed that other artists were wanting to find ways to exhibit their work in galleries that could be viewed on a variety of devices. With the growing interest in the metaverse, virtual reality, and NFTs, I wanted to enable anyone with an art collection to create a beautiful gallery to show their collection to the world. So I decided to build a subscription service around this technology and release it as Galeryst. To get started with Galeryst, you log in with your Adobe ID and select albums you previously created in Lightroom. You give the gallery a name and create it. Most people use Lightroom for photography, but I found it works great for all types of artwork. After a few seconds, the gallery is created and you can see your artwork in it. Each gallery has a unique web page where you can enter the foyer or each of the wings directly. Once in a wing, you can walk around it with a mouse and keyboard, touch on a mobile device, or even with an Xbox controller. Clicking on any artwork positions you right in front of the work and illuminates it. If you choose to add location information to your artwork in Lightroom and add a map option for your gallery in Galeryst, your visitors can see where the artwork was created. 360-degree equirectangular photos or artwork are displayed as hemispheres in your gallery and can be viewed in an immersive viewer if the visitor clicks on the hemisphere. If you add tags to your assets in Lightroom, those tags can then define tours throughout your gallery. Here I'm taking a tour through the 12 artworks in this gallery that I've tagged with the Journal 2019 tag. Once you've created the gallery, you can customize it to make the design work best for your artwork. You can change the layout, the ceiling type, the wall height, and choose the texture for the floor, wall, and ceiling for each wing of your gallery. You can use the built-in textures, or you can use your own textures from your Creative Cloud libraries. The information that you add to each image in Lightroom can be shown in the gallery as a card next to the artwork, and will show up also in an info pane to give visitors more details about your work. For paid subscribers, you can add external links to the artwork when customizing your gallery, or by using a free Excel add-in that works on Windows, Mac, on the web, or tablets. This link can be anything from a commerce site, to an NFT URL, to a YouTube video where you talk about making the artwork. You can also see the editable descriptive text for the artwork that has been generated by AI to help visually impaired visitors browse your gallery. You can use the location information that you add to your Lightroom assets to let your visitors find your artwork on a map. All artwork locations that are in public galleries on Galeryst are shown on this map. Clicking on the See in Gallery takes your visitor directly to the location in the gallery where the art is exhibited. Any artist with a Lightroom subscription can create a single gallery for free, and we have a simple pricing model for subscriptions that vary by number of galleries and subscription duration. Galeryst will work on desktops and notebooks, phones and tablets, even with immersive VR head-mounted displays. Create your own gallery today on Galeryst to share your artwork with the world in your own 3D gallery. Thank you.